Hi, we're the Neighbourhood Kitchen. We are on a mission to give the whole of the UK access to great tasting delivery food, not just those in London and major cities. We founded T&K to serve this untapped demand whilst keeping ownership of the brands and the operation to ensure the highest quality alongside a healthy operating margin. We optimise our kitchen space and ingredients to offer our customers up to 15 very distinct and impactful brands that serve great tasting food developed to work perfectly for delivery. And all of this is done in under 500 square foot of kitchen. Our aim is to build the UK's largest network of smart, tech-enabled kitchens. Speed of delivery is incredibly important to our customers. Our tech ensures we can go from customer order being placed to dispatch in the shortest time possible. Our aim is to do this in under 7 minutes. Unlike many startups in this space, we are not creating brands to franchise or building kitchens for other operators. At the Neighbourhood Kitchen, we have created our own brands from scratch with our own kitchens to operate them in.
We've put a huge amount of effort into creating brands that we believe customers on delivery platforms like Deliveroo will love. By creating multiple brands from the same pool of ingredients, we aim to minimise waste, maximise profit and ensure the kitchen is always busy whatever day of the week it is. If Superfry is quieter on, say, a Monday, the other brands will soak up the excess stock, meaning very little goes to waste. Having worked in restaurants and cloud kitchens for 15 years where waste was a huge issue, this was something that we really wanted to tackle at T&K. Based on our calculations, we believe that our model means that we waste on average of 1/3 to a half of what a normal restaurant kitchen would waste.
According to our research, outside London and the major conurbations, the majority of towns in the UK lack the variety and quality that people expect and deserve from their delivery choices.
Research suggests that this has been made increasingly more acute post-pandemic, where people have welcomed the chance to move out of the major cities.
Yet we believe they still demand the same type of choice and quality they were getting when they were living in the more urban areas.
Our model not only means that we can provide a great deal of choice for these neighbourhoods, but it also means we can deliver great prices due to the economies of scale we have on our major ingredients. The total UK platform to consumer delivery market is expected to reach 2.5 billion in 2021.
Nearly 90% of this is concentrated in London and the major cities.
Based on our research, we believe that outside these main conurbations, there is 5.9 billion worth of demand that does not have the supply it needs.
We are at an exciting point in our journey, having already developed 15 brands and tried 9 of them in our test kitchen, where we served over 25,000 dishes in 6 months.
On the back of that success, we have just opened our first tech-enabled smart kitchen in Bracknell. But don't just take our word for it, we have many happy customers. We will be putting the money we raised towards setting up an additional 2 or 3 kitchens in the southeast, and we're already searching for the next. Our plan over the next 2 years is to open 1 kitchen a month in the southeast before taking on the rest of the UK. Join us in building a fully optimised network of smart kitchens, giving the whole of the UK the local takeaway choices they deserve.